Mechanics grip. This is the most common grip used for cardistry. The thumb rests against the long edge of the cards, the index finger curves around the back of the cards to the short edge, and the top section of the finger touches the edge. The middle, ring and pinky fingers grip along the other edge. When performing this grip, ensure that there is some space between the cards and your palm. Mechanics grip is typically done in your non-dominant hand. Straddle grip. This is like mechanics grip, but you move your pinky finger to the short edge closest to the body. To create even more space underneath the cards, regrip the cards with the thumb tip. This can be done by sliding the thumb along the long edge and extending the pinky finger. Biddle grip. Grip the cards from above and use your index, middle, ring and pinky fingers to grip the cards along the top short edge. Use your thumb to grip the cards at the bottom short edge. Ensure to grip the cards using the top sections of your fingers and thumb. This is typically performed in your dominant hand. Z grip. Hold the cards in your non-dominant hand in mechanics grip, and with your dominant hand, hold the cards in a variation of the biddle grip, where the cards are just held between the index finger and thumb. Breaking down the cut, you first pivot a packet on your non-dominant hand's index finger. You do this by breaking off a packet using your dominant hand's thumb. Now break another packet off the top using your dominant hand's index finger at the short edge away from the body. Ensure to grip the cards at the edges of your fingers. You should perform the two movements as one. Corner grips. These grips are where a small packet of cards is held between two pivot points, typically being two fingers or one finger and your palm. This grip is utilized to perform spinning moves. The thinner the packet, the easier the spins are to perform. End grip. Start in dealer's grip. You then want to curl your index finger under the packet as such. You then raise up the packet by sliding the thumb against the long edge and extending the pinky finger. You then grip the cards using your dominant hand in a modified biddle grip, where the index finger is curled on top of the packet. Cardini Grip. The concept of the Cardini Grip is where the cards are clipped by fingers on top of the packet and a finger underneath the packet, which is making contact with the cards using the middle section of that finger. This allows for extending a packet. Thumb fan grip. Start with the cards in end grip in your non-dominant hand. You then want to move your non-dominant hand to perform the grip. Place your thumb at the bottom of the deck in the center. Then extend your fingers and place them on the bottom of the deck diagonally facing the corner. We would recommend placing the middle finger just over the corner. We will go into more detail in the thumb fan tutorial, but this is the basic grip. Grip for hot shot. Start in straddle grip and then move your index finger to the long edge of the deck with your ring and middle finger. Then slide your index finger and thumb down to the middle of the cards. Then move your middle finger to your thumb and contact the cards. I would recommend getting comfortable in this grip in preparation for the hot shot tutorial. This is typically done in your non-dominant hand.